In the semi-final. Marcelito Pomoy! Marcelito Pomoy!
Hello! Welcome back everyone and welcome to our first episode for Showbiz Maze. I was really astonished by our kababayan Marcelito Pomoy for making it as the first semi-finalist for the week 2 of the America's Got Talent. And for this episode, we will explore how Marcelito's life was, giving him all good cards to reach the peak he's in right now, which is very important for us to realize so we'll understand how he made it possible as the first semi-finalist for the week 2 of the America's Got Talent.
Marcelito Pomoy was born on September 22, 1984 in Imus, Cavite, but grew up in Bislig City, Surigao, Davao del Sur. He won the title as the second season grand winner of Pilipinas Got Talent in 2011, but how was life before PGT? So let's talk about his life status before Pilipinas Got Talent. After his father was incarcerated for false accusation, his mom and his brother left him with 2 of his younger siblings and went to Manila. Later, his parents separated. In his younger years, without parental supervision, Marcelito was sent to prison to be attended and nurtured by his father, but was later on adopted by a police officer when his father got sick. He was maltreated by his foster mom and at a young age faced the struggles of life and has to work several odd jobs to survive. Some of the jobs he did before were pinboy in bowling alley, ice cream vendor, mason at construction sites, worker in furniture shops, balut vendor, worker in piggery, worker in poultry farm, etc. For something a little more interesting, let's talk about how Marcelito come to realize his skills in singing. According to stories around, he's already been into singing but discovered his female voice when he's working in a poultry farm. He would sing songs of the Asia's songbird Miss Regine Velasquez as he sprayed the chicken house. Wow! Let us all take note he can sing in a male tenor voice and a female soprano voice. These are 2 highest voice ranges in their respective genders. That's just so amazing. So how's Marcelito's singing career? Challenged by life difficulties and family issues, Marcelito took chances in different singing contests in amateur and professional leagues. He tried his luck in Talentadong Pinoy but did not win. And finally, in 2011, he joined Season 2 of Pilipinas Got Talent and became the grand winner. With just one event, Marcelito's life will change forever. Aside from winning 2 million pesos as PGT Grand Prize, Marcelito achieved what he says his biggest dream. That is to locate his mom and get his family whole again. So lovely. Wow. Also, opportunities came for him. He made regular appearances in ASAP, one of Philippines' famous Sunday Star show. Also, his first studio album entitled Do It Yourself was released in 2011 under Star Records. Then has been to a lot of singing commitments nationally and internationally.
Oh, so by this point, we now slowly understand how life has been so hard for Marcelito, yet fate repaid him with some sweet success and even more. So let's get to some of his duet songs this time.
Natatanging pangarap If it's time for us, we gotta take it, take the chance to make it now. Let the love begin, let the light come shining in. Each night I pray that we can be together once again. Forevermore we'll stay and love this way, no matter what they say, until the end.
Wow, great songs, wonderful voice, and a warm, humble person. Now, let's take a glimpse to one of Marcelito's best rewards for his years of endeavor. That is to be married to the woman of his dreams. Colorful and fruitful for Marcelito. Now, here's his America's Got Talent song performance, which was also his Filipinas Got Talent winning piece. And let's check on the judges' best reactions.
Incredible, incredible.
Honestly, this is one of the craziest things I've ever.
Meaning that the superfans will put you through to the next round.
Come on, super fans!
Come on, super fans.